Hello everyone, my name is Eliana Connolly, and today I'm just going to be talking to you guys about space and NASA. So today I'm going to cover three things. I'm going to tell you guys how I got interested in space, then I'm going to share some fun facts about space, and last I'm going to show you some cool space and NASA products that I have. So how I became interested in space, and specifically the NASA program, was actually one of my teachers that I had all the way back in 2nd grade. I am now an 8th grader. I'm still interested in all of this very much, so it's been a long time. Before I had this teacher, I really didn't know much about it and I really wasn't interested in it, but she helped me learn so much, and now I think it's one of the most fascinating things ever. We learned a lot about different planets, the moon landings, and the astronauts who went to the moon. We even did a couple projects in class. We have been studying it the whole year that we were in 2nd grade. My teacher also showed us some really cool videos that were super interesting, even the video of the moon landing. When I was in 5th grade, I actually went to space camp during the summer, which was hosted by the Scranton Penn State campus. We did a lot of cool experiments and we got taught a lot of things, and they even gave us some really cool stuff to take home. That was actually the year we all experienced the solar eclipse, so they gave us these really cool glasses so that you can see it. Another summer, my family and I actually took a trip to Washington, D.C., and we were able to go to the Smithsonian Museum, which is a really cool aerodynamic museum. It had so many cool artifacts and things that you don't see every day. I got to look at actual rockets, spacesuits. It was amazing. So now that you guys kind of have a look on how I became interested in it and what I experienced from being interested in it, I'm going to tell you guys some really cool facts that I found. One cool fact is that the hottest planet in our solar system is actually 450 degrees Celsius. You would probably think it was Mercury because Mercury is closest to the sun, but it is actually Venus. Venus is the second planet closest to the sun. So the planet Mercury actually has no atmosphere to regulate temperature. It actually has a very large temperature fluctuation, which makes Venus the hottest planet. This is the second fun fact. The footprints made on the moon by astronaut Neil Armstrong will actually be there for a total of 100 million years. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to interfere with the print. And there's no water on the moon to wash away the footprints by any means. Rovers that have landed on the moon actually have prints that will be on the moon for millions of years as well. The third fun fact is that the moon was actually once a piece of the Earth. The theory is that when Earth was relatively a young planet, it was struck by a giant object which caused the collision, which caused us to have a moon. The piece of Earth that became the moon then started to orbit. The fourth fun fact is that there is actually a volcano located on Mars that is 3 times the size of Mount Everest. Mount Everest is actually 29,029 feet high. If it's 3 times bigger than that, it has to be absolutely ginormous. The fifth fun fact is that the sun's mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system. It is made of 3/4 hydrogen and helium for most of its remaining mass. The sun has a mass around 330,000 times that of Earth. That is absolutely insane. Lastly, I'm just going to show you guys some cool space and NASA products that I have. So I have a couple of clothing items. This is one shirt. This is another really cool shirt. It has like a plane going by and it says NASA at the bottom. I also have this really cool NASA shirt. And then I have this really cool shirt with just the basic NASA logo on it. I was able to attend the Franklin Institute for a day, and I actually found this. It's an astronaut and it has my name on it. On my laptop, I have these really cool space stickers. There's an astronaut. This is the NASA symbol with, actually that's Mars. And then we have a spaceship going up. We have an astronaut dancing in the Milky Way. I thought that one was really cool. And then I have this sticker, and it is a astronaut helmet and it says space. And then I just have a space shuttle. I also have one inside. It's just a NASA sticker with the American flag. I have this really cool poster. It's an astronaut and it says, "We need you." I then have this poster which I got while I attended space camp. I also have some stickers at the two corners. This cool picture of the sun. I have this moonlight and it lights up and it gives you all the different phases of the moon. And then I have two NASA stickers by it. This is a funny one. This is just an alien head that my dad found for me. I also have this cool phone case that has a bunch of astronauts on it. I got this really cool backpack from the Smithsonian Museum. This is what it looks like. Lastly, I have this really cool planetarium projector that my Softa got me. The top of it just shows stars. And then the bottom, you actually insert these reels. And this one will show you planets and galaxies. And then this one shows planets we have in the solar system. And I will show you guys that now. These are the stars it shows. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Bye!